Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous two videos, we have learnt about trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions, the values of cos x plus y, the values of sin x plus y. We have derived some formulas using cos x plus y, that is tan x plus y. The things we have already derived, and in this video we will derive more formulas and will know more formulas of trigonometry. And the thing that we have left, that is cot x plus y, the only thing of x plus y term, that is cot x plus y. In this video we will derive cot x plus y, and then we will be deriving more formulas of trigonometric functions that are most important of this chapter. Okay, and these formulas will be, we will be using these formulas in solving the problems of trigonometric functions. The chapter, the examples and the exercises will be given in the description. Please go to the Google Drive link and solve that. Okay, so please watch the previous videos, then continue with this video. Okay, if you don't watch the previous video, you will not understand this video. Okay, so please watch that videos, then watch this video. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so what is this cot x plus y? Cot x plus y is simply cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Okay, and cot of x minus y is, put minus y, so cot of minus y is minus cot y, so minus cot x cot y plus 1 upon minus cot y plus cot x. Take the minus common, so cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. So this is how all the x minus y thing is done. Okay, x minus y thing is done. Cot of x plus y, cot of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, everything is done. Now the thing is that what is, okay, I am removing this thing, just copy the formula in your notebook. Now if you have free time, some free time I have given you, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, now what is the value of cos 2x? Okay, cos of x plus x, cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. Okay, simple. So cos square x minus sin square x. We can write sin square x in 1 minus cos square x. So what is minus minus plus, 2 cos square x, minus into minus is plus, so 2 cos square x minus 1. And you can write cos square x in 1 minus sin square x minus 1. So 2 minus 2 sin square x minus 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, so what thing we have to remember? These two things. 1 minus sin 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos this. This is the formula of cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x equal to this and this. Okay, this thing we will be using in some problems, but look that, just simple, put 1 minus cos square x in the place of sin square x, put 1 minus sin square x in place of cos square x, it will give a new formula, simple. Okay, now what is the value of sin 2x? Okay, another thing is, using this formula you can write it as cos square x minus sin square x. This is the formula of cos 2x using tangent. We are dividing by 1, Same thing, and we can write 1 as cos square x plus sin square x, and divide numerator and denominator using cos square x. So 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this is most important formula of cos square x. Okay, most important formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x equal to this. This is the most important formula. It will be required in every, that means every limit problem in calculus. Most used formula of calculus. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Most used formula. Okay. Now, what is sin 2x? Sin 2x equal to sin x plus x. So sin x cos x plus cos x sin x, that is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, divide using sin square x plus cos square x, divide numerator and denominator using cos square x. So 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is also most important formula of sin 2x. Okay, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, and this is multiple angle. Okay, 2. Okay, this is the formula of multiple angle, and look that given 2x, but answer is in x. Okay, and so sin 2x is that and cos 2x is that. So what will be tan 2x? Sin 2x by cos 2x. So tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by, look that these two will be cancelled out and this will be 1 minus tan square x. Okay, 1 plus tan square x and 1 plus tan square x will be cancelled out, and 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x will be the answer. This is also an important formula of tan 2x. Okay, so in this way we derive the formulas of trigonometry. We prove the formulas of trigonometry. Just a simple formula, that is cos of x plus y. A simple formula is giving birth to every formula. Okay, cos of x plus y. Now the next thing is very easy thing. Okay, thing is very easy, and just look at that. This is sin 2x. Now what is sin 3x? Sin 3x equal to sin 2x plus x. So sin 2x into sin x, sorry, sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Okay, sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. What is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x into cos x. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x into sin x. Okay, into sin x. So 2 sin x into cos square x plus cos square x into sin x minus sin cube x. Okay, so this is the thing, and take thing is take 2 sin x common from this thing. Okay, you can write in this way, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, that will be much easier. So sin x minus 2 sin cube x, and take 2 sin x common, then this is cos square x minus sin square x, or in other way, this is 2 sin x cos square x, then take 2 sin x common. Okay, take 2 sin x common, then sin x minus 2 sin cube x, take 2 sin x common, then what will happen? Cos square x minus sin square x plus sin x. Okay. Okay. So sorry, 2 sin x, we have to derive sin 3x. So I forget it, but what is the thing? That is, you have to convert every sine or cos into sine. Okay. So sorry, but this is the process. Convert every sinusoidal, every sine into sine, or every cos into sine. Minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So what is the answer? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. So this is the process. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Convert every cos into sine and every sine into sine. Now, what is the value of cos 3x? In case of cos 3x, you have to convert every cos into cos. So cos 3x equal to cos 2x plus x, every cos into cos, every sine into cos. Cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Okay. Cos 2x cos x. So cos 2x means 1 minus 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x. Okay. Sin 2x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x into sin x. Now 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin x into 2 sin square x into cos x. Okay. 2 cos cube x, take minus cos x common, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. 1 minus 2 sin square x, or you can simply convert 2 into 1 minus cos square x cos x. So 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. In this way you can find cos 3x and sin 3x. Okay. This is the way to solve sin 3x cos 3x. Okay. Now this is about cos sin 3x and cos 3x. Now we have to derive the value of tan 3x. Tan 3x is much more easier. Okay, much more easy. So tan 3x equal to tan 2x plus x. So tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan 2x means 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x by 1 minus 2 tan x into tan x, that is 2 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. Take LCM and that will be 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. Okay, and we have already cancelled that part, and now this is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, this is the value of tan 3x. Okay, so by using that formula we got everything, every multiple angle, tan 3x, sin 3x, sin 2x, cos 3x, cos 2x. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and in the next video we will be discussing about sin a cos b, cos a sin b, the value of 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos a, that will be discussed in the next video. So this is the end of the video, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and okay, please share to your friends. This is the end of the video. Okay, just write it down to your notebook, and I will be uploading the video very soon, the next video very soon. Okay, so thank you.